Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel again. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning viewer or a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. So in this video is another tutorial on how I made this cute beautiful hairstyle for my toddler, and I don't think there is much to explain in this video because this is a very simple hairstyle that by mere looking at what I'm doing you'll be able to understand it. So please consider subscribing to the channel if you have not, and hit the like button and also turn on your post notification in order to be notified whenever we drop a new video. So without not much further ado, let me leave you guys to enjoy this video. See you in my next video. Bye.